season out of Washington State University, number 11, Mon-Fri.
Time out, boy. Huh? Hey, man, say, man. I got a big, huge announcement. If this is your very first session with me, if this is your very first time trading live with me, I got a big, big, big announcement, man. Listen up.
Welcome to the party.
Hey, welcome to the 15-minute Mafia, boy. Welcome to the party, boy. Hey man, say man, we getting straight to it. Huh? Hey man, say man. We getting straight into the meat and potatoes. We getting straight into the meat and potatoes. Alright, Rodney with the news. What we got, Rodney? What we got? Red folder, unemployment claims at 8:30. Orange folders, all at 8:30. Why is that so funny, bro? Alright, man, let's see what we can get twerking today, bro. So we got Rodney with the news right there. We got news pretty much in 5 minutes. So we won't be trading before the news. Let's look at slick charts, right? So if NASDAQ 100, right? NASDAQ is the top 100 tech companies, but it's mainly heavy concentrated with tech companies, but there are also other companies in this from the other sectors. Got it? So there's mainly tech stocks. Got it? So these stocks represent the price of NASDAQ. If you add all these prices up and divide them by 100, the price is fucking 18,000. Got it? So whenever these stocks are up or down, that's what NASDAQ is going to do. So if everything's all green, we're looking for all longs. If everything's all red, we're looking for all shorts. If anything's kind of like 50-50, it could be like a range day or is waiting for shit to push up and down to really start clearing out. Got it? So let's say our top 10 I mainly look at. So top 10, we got 4 green. So we're about 40% green, right? So it's kind of like indecision right now, right? So we'll just go look at the charts now. You did, squid. You know what I'm saying? I don't think I like that light, bro. Bye-bye. I like that ambient dark shit. Yeah. That dark shit with a little LED in the back. Alright, here we go, bro. Alright, here we go. You know what I mean? In a real way. Alright, let's go look at yesterday real quick. Alright, all this shit happened. So it ended up coming down to this 30-minute OB rejecting out. And then it started working its way down. So if you look, if you get rid of all this shit, get rid of this because it blew past it, right? Right here, blew past it. This is old. This is old, right? Get rid of this little thing. So if you see this box right here, this is a breaker. These are nice setups right here, y'all. Right? You got to really wait on these because trends usually go trend direction until it doesn't, right? But when it doesn't, this is what it looks like. The last order block that could potentially continue the trend is the one that they break. They go back to like a order block that's deeper. That'll make it retrace back to this breaker, right? So this is the order block until it breaks through. Then it violates. Now it's a breaker block. So now we sell this stop loss above to go down, right? Or it could come up and hit this order block and then come down. Pretty much means the highs are protected, and then boom, price keep going down and down towards the into the new day, right? By breaking down lows, pulling back to order blocks, 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 right? So it was pulling back to this order block, so you're expecting sell from here, but what happened? It blew through. So if it blow through, it violates, and here's the same setup on the opposite side. So if it violates through it, now we're going to be using that one probably for the reversal, right? There's one more order block up here that can't be ignored. So it could be tweening that one, and actually look, it's already tween, rejection, back to the bullish MA now, not breaking this breaker, pushing up. So price could hold and then break this fully, and then honestly probably gonna make new highs. I'm not really sure how high it can go. That's where we'll start using the golden zones. So if we go to a full golden zone, that's the order block. Then if we go to another golden zone, that's almost yesterday's high right here. Not yesterday's high, but a high from yesterday. And then if we go to the next golden zone, that's only right here. You get what I'm saying? So we got a lot of space for buys if price wants to continue up, right? Okay, so that's the 30-minute. So we're forming like a breaker block setup. This all could be fake. This could keep rejecting this 30-minute and then come down, break this, and then it'll start looking for sell order blocks on the lower time frame, and then it'll continue down. So news already just came out 15 minutes ago. Not minutes. 20 seconds ago. You know what I'm saying, in a real way. So let's see what we get. Let's look at these 4-hour highs and lows again. We'll get rid of this guy now. I guess we'll keep that there. We'll keep that there. Let's go to the 4-hour for our highs and lows. Right? So this is old. This is now 4-hour high. This next one is a 4-hour high. This next one is a 4-hour high. High of the day. Then we got a line down here for the low of the day. Also, we're in this gap. So this gap closed a little bit too. So now we got to adjust our gap line. So our gap line and the purple line is the same thing. So I'm going to get rid of the purple line. And I'm going to keep my gap line. Keep my gap line right there, right? So honestly, this shit could reject, and then come close this gap. What's today, Thursday? It can still do it tomorrow too, so it's not mandatory that it has to do it, because it didn't do it yesterday, did it? It pushed up and didn't close. It didn't do nothing to this gap. Now it done came to it. Everybody thinking sell towards the gap, into the gap, and they yeeted the opposite direction. There's also a moving average right there on the 4-hour, so I don't know, man. Could be straight up, could be straight down. So we got to go to the lower and see which one is going to respect. If they come back into this order block after rejecting, it's a high probability of it continuing straight through. So a long in this area, maybe like a MA pullback wouldn't be too bad to try to push it up at least to this golden zone for a little scalp to hit the highs. And then honestly, the full target will be a full completion violation of this order block. But it could come up to the 50% level and then tank from there. It still can tank from here and graze in this 30 minutes. So we're just gonna wait it out and watch it, right? And everything lines up how I kind of want it. Like right now, this could be a little long entry right here. This pullback to the MA. But bro, we're just still rejecting this 30-minute order block, bro. Okay, so that's the 30-minute, boom, 30-minute, boom, 30-minute. So then we come down here on the 5, zoom out a little bit. Alright, in a real way, you know what I'm saying? We got the breaker block on the actual 5-minute chart. See what I'm saying? This is the 5-minute block. We'll go current interval only since we already got the big block on the 30. What? What? Hey, hold on, y'all. Alright, here we go. We got the 5-minute MA just got touched here. We're at the golden zones. Coming back up, still rejecting. Honestly, like on some just simple shit, you just buy stop this. Buy stop, stop right under. And just kind of hope for the best. No, I'm just kidding. No, I'm just kidding. We got a 1-minute MA right there, dude. So that's it. I mean, not MA. 1-minute order block right there. So if we were to take this buy right here with a buy limit, stop could be like something real short. You know what I'm saying? So we can risk very little. If it goes against, it's probably like right here, honestly. If it breaks this low, it's not going up right now, at least. But it's just, bro, it's in this 30-minute order block. Like, if it was going to go down and make a new low, it would have did it by now. Or at least been going in that direction, right? But the fact that it's holding this MA... man. So even if we did the breaker, I don't really want to see that. It's just weird because this fat ass candle is like, so it's like technically this is the order block. So that's a little weird, you know. Technically, you could just use the body. Like, I don't know, that's weird. Or this range from this top wick, from the bottom, use this whole range. Could come down to the 1 minute. It could just break right here. But it could also just push up, grab the highs, and then tank off of the 30 minute. Right, we don't like weird, Nolan. I don't like that. I don't like that. If I had to guess a direction, if I was forced to guess a direction, I would just go long, right? So maybe we can get like a, you know what I'm saying? Bro, shut up. We might can get like a, you know what I'm saying, a little shindig like this. Take our long here. Trail it right here. And then violate that order block. Something like that. In a real way. Hey, there ain't nothing wrong with that, Nolan. If it ain't right, it ain't right. In a real way, NASDAQ. That's what I expect, NASDAQ, in a real way. Like the police hiding with the radar. Nah, facts. But yeah, it's doing exactly. Yep, straight to the golden zone. Yep, that would have been a nice little scalp, right? I dabbled a bit this morning. Oh, and I'm up. You're already up 650. Yeah. Nice. 650. Alright, if we get like a nice pullback all the way to the MA, I'd be willing to participate and go long. Like a little breakout. Little breakout retest type setup. So by the time the MA gets here, it should be like 1, 2 red candles. We can go long again. Not again, because we didn't go long yet, right? Where's a candle at? Trying to see where order block candle is. Technically, this is the bottom one on the 1 minute. They could pull back to this and use the tip of this red one. So that's like the same thing as this red one right here. Kind of thing. Or it could just push us up without us. Damn, Rodney. Damn, Rodney. Good work, bro. Definitely congrats, bro. TPT evaluation pass. W day. W day. Good work, Ronnie. Good work, Ronnie. But yeah, when you get one rejection out of an order block, and then you come back to it, then on the lower time frame, you done got 2 rejections now. Then you come back to it. Yo, it's high probability it's gonna blow through it, right? Now the first one, you don't try to blow through it, right? Second one could blow through. That third one, then the fourth one, then the fifth one. Where's the pressure for it to go down at? It's none. So that's why they're gonna use the liquidity for people trying to sell it, the little fish, to use their money to blow it up. That's why they kind of range it at the order blocks. They get to these order blocks and range it. But if it's going to go, it's going to touch and fucking go. You know what I'm saying? It comes to these highs. And then they push up. So these highs and that green line is looking juicy in a real way. Time to build that live account up and scale starting tomorrow. That's it. Like clockwork, Rodney. What size account, Rodney? $50K. $50K. Good work. Good work, brother. Oh. I gotta get a bigger stream deck now. I got too many buttons. Smaller profit target and less risk using micros. Yes, sir. Hey, man, this shit could push up right here and just hold. So even if I were to go long here, it'd be like 70 ticks. So 5 times 7, it'd be like 350, right? Yeah. It can either push up now, but I really don't want to buy it right here. I really want to buy it down here at this MA and at this retest area. So if it pushes up without me, that's cool. If you're willing to risk it, take a buy here, stop loss right under, and be ready to enter again. Or you enter and then have another plan for re-entry down here. Alright, but if that shit bleeds, don't come crying because your ass bought it up high. Okay, here we go, here we go. Here we go. I'm about to go long, bro. I'm going to go ahead and enter down long there. Let's see. I really think price is going to stop here at the moving average. Price could come down to this moving average. I don't really want to hold it that deep, but it could. I'm just targeting the other golden zone, so if I'm buying it, I need to be selling it with a sell limit. So there's the touch of the previous high, moving average touch. Here's the other lower previous high. Let's see if that's the rejection. It could come down, hit the golden zone, then push up. bitch. Alright, here we go. Golden zone touch. I'm not going to re-enter. I'm just going to let it rock. But if it starts to like flip down, I'll probably just get out to keep the losses small. I don't know, bro. This is the order block, bro. I gotta give it space. This is the 5-minute order block. Five-minute MA is right here. I mean, I'm damn near in it now. But yeah, I'm expecting it to hold this golden zone, honestly. No re-entries. I'm just going to let it rock out, ride out. I don't want to double my risk or anything yet. Because it can still come down here. Now, if it comes down here, bro, like fast as fuck, I might be willing to re-enter. But that'll fucking double my loss if it goes down. It looks like worst case scenario, probably like down 1,000, 1,200 or something. And I ain't really trying to do that, my boy. You feel me? So this little weak ass rejection right here on the 30-minute. It's just gonna push back up, bro. It's just a pullback with a shitty entry. Let's see if we can get a push all the way across. Now that it done broke structure down, this is the only thing that can stop the show right here. When it breaks through that, we're smooth selling to the highs.
I hope so.
Okay.
Yeah. Alright, we're touching the OB right here, dude. If it comes back down, bro, I'll probably be cooked and get out. But I'm expecting this to push through. Give a little rejection here and push through this bitch. Because this ain't no strong break of structure or nothing, bro. This ain't no trend change. We're in an uptrend, bro. That little bitty order block ain't stopping shit. No fucking banks or institutions is fucking entering right here, bro. We're about to blow through that shit, bro.
I hope so.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just broke below a doji. I'm waiting till this 5-minute close. Alright, Nolan. In a real way, you know. Alright, so rejecting off of this weak ass order block. We're back at the 1-minute MA. So yeah, order block rejection, back to the bullish structure to push up, right? So off the MA, rejection, back to the bullish, right? Structure, bullish, pattern, bullish, setup to push up.
I hope so.
Okay.
Yeah.
Woo! Shit. All right, here we go. Rejection off the order block, down to the bullish sediment. Don't know what a sediment is, but down to the bullish setup. You know what I'm saying? Then we go straight through. Same shit right here, y'all. Rejection of the order block, down to the bullish sediment. Don't know what a sediment is, but you know the bullish setup, specifically the bullish order block, tap, and then push through, right? So what's the same shit here? Order block, back to the bullish, or moving average, straight fucking through.
I hope so.
Okay.
Yeah.
NASDAQ, what the fuck is your ugly ass doing? Alright, remember, if this shit breaks, bro, I don't know how long I'm gonna hold this shit. $15-minute candle got 4 minutes left. 30-minute got 4 minutes as well. So the next 15-minute candle, honestly, could just open up whatever bottom wick and then push up. They could come down and grab liquidity right under here. So I don't want to be too quick by closing it, because it could just come grab and then go, right? Kind of like here. They make these lows, then they pull back, and then they go into trend direction. So it could do that. Push up, but you would think it would do it immediately and then go up like it did here. Right? So let's say it didn't. It make a low, push up to the order block, go down, make a low, grab liquidity, enough liquidity back into this order block, double bottom, and the moving average might make his way up to reject it on the 5, and then that'll be the trend direction, same way as here. So I might got to be pretty patient in this trade, man. I might have to risk up to like 1,000 for real, just to stay in it, but it's still got to be valid for me to be in it, you know what I'm saying? Now if we break and then come down here, reject, and then go back down, I'm out. I got to get out, right? Because it's not forming sediment It's not forming, you know, the setups to go up. What's sediment, bro? I've heard that shit before, bro. Is it sediment? Sentiment? Sentiment? Am I saying it wrong? Sentiment? Sediment? Sediment don't even sound wrong. Sound right. So sentiment. Yeah, clearly I didn't know what the fuck I was talking about. So what's sentiment? Sentiment is like rocks at the bottom of... We're not talking about fucking water! Is this swimming class, Christian? Are we fucking doing swimming lessons? So I'm not talking about sediment at the bottom of the fucking water! Oh, my bad, Christian. My bad. My bad. I didn't read your second message. My bad. My fault.
I'm trying to be cool. But goddamn.
Yeah. Me after that.
You need to leave.
You need to leave. Bro, push the fuck up, bro. Ugly ass boy. Hey, but nah, this shit is doing what I said, though. So I said come up. It went a little higher. And then I said come down to the golden. You know what I'm saying? And then I said come up here. And then I said, you know what I'm saying, break it. And then I said, you know what I'm saying, pull back to it. And then I said, you know what I'm saying, we're going to go straight to target. So it's kind of doing that, right? It's going up, down, but I missed the part where you got to reject off the order block first. Then off the golden zone first. Then you come back to the zone. Then you break it. Then you come down to the goldens again or to this new bullish order block. And then we go to target. Not Walmart, we go to Target. Oh my God! Hey Pete, but right now, if I had balls of steel, I would be entering another contract because I'm confident we're about to push up to the target. But my balls aren't made of steel right now, so I'm just going to chill on one Connie and we're going to take profit at the highs. It could come down to this order block, so if you're not already in, could be one of the best entries right here. It could stop at the golden zone, like I said an hour ago. And we go straight to target, boys. Here we go, man. Let's run this shit, you heard? Hey, DJ, cue the dramatic music. I got you. Angelique said she got 2 in. Fuck you talking about? Peace! Hey, when I do my intro, I be like this with the camera off.
It is 11th NBA season out of Washington.
This shit be getting me fired up, bitch.
Number 11.
dramatic as shit. Alright, we're into the order block now. Let's see if Price wants to push up and get out of here. This is gonna be the last push. It's gonna be fast too. If it pushes up, we're going out fast. It's gonna hit take profit fast as fuck in like 2-3 candles. But fuck, it's gotta do it though. Let's see. Let's see, boys. Current interval only. I want to be able to see this 5-minute crystal clear, bro, because this is the one we really want this candle to finish up green, brother. 1 minute left. You ain't even gotta finish green. I don't give a fuck. Long as that bitch just don't break this level, and then boom, open green, boner candle. That's what I'm expecting. Off of this same high, y'all. Y'all see how this shit is holding this high? This high and this high, all the way across, above it. Now back to it. So we need to wick down and then next candle push up and then get off of it again. We gotta get out of this area, man. We gotta get out of this area, bro. Break these highs, bro. We're going straight to Target. Not Walmart. Not Food Lion. Not Aldi. Did I say it right? Aldi? Who shop at Aldi? Aldi. Who shop at Aldi or Aldi? Rico shops at fucking Aldi, man. God damn it, Rico.
You need to leave.
No, I'm just kidding. Aldi might got that shit for real. I heard that shit cheap or something. They got their own brands and it's cheap, something like that. They don't have like name brands. They don't have Fruity Loops, Fruit Loops. They have Fruit O's. Oh my god. Ooh, that shouldn't be that funny. I was trying to think of other comparisons. Shit might not be bread. Wait, what? Motherfuckers don't give you grocery bags though. And bread 75 cents. Boy, they making that shit in the back room. Alright, come on, man. Push the fuck up. The longer it sits here, bro, it's making me think it's gonna go down. And that's what they want me to think. They want me to get out early. They want me to flip it for a sale. But guess what? We know the trend direction, boys. Is that you're so fucking ugly, bro. You just made a fucking new high into the order block. Come down. You're supposed to fucking make another high. Now you're making another low out of the fucking order block. Hold on. We could have... Hold on. Since we passed that, we do got this one down here. This could be the one. Now, if it breaks this, I'm getting out. This could be the one right here, though. This is the bottom last order block for it to go up. If it breaks through here, I have to... There's an MA right here, so I really got to give it space, bro. I can hit that MA. So we might lose max probably like 500-600. Worst case scenario, because I'll get out like the break of the MA or something. I signed up for Apex but accidentally got a wealth charts. What the fuck? Where is even wealth charts on the screen? You gotta switch that, my boy. Get you an Apex, my boy. Alright, so we just got the full touch on the MA on the 5 minute. This could be it, bro. This could be it, the move up. Because the next MA is all the way down here on the 15. And I'm not holding that. Damn, you can't change it? Fucked. I mean, I don't know what the fuck wealth charts is. Maybe you could try to put it up and trade it. I'm not sure, bro. But, I mean, the good thing, it was cheap, right? It was like 15 bucks or something, 20 bucks. So if you can, I mean, just get another one, right? Get another one that's actual trade of 8. Yeah, so I mean, the bad part about it, yeah, you got the wrong platform. To make the best out of it. Wait, why did I put a sell limit here instead of an alert? Boy, I'm tweaking. I meant to do an alert, not a sell limit. Cause bro, this shit is pissing me off, bro. This shit gotta go up, bro. So right now we're at the MA on the 1 minute. So if it's gonna go down, this is gonna be the last candle. It's not gonna go any higher if it's gonna go down, and then it's gonna come down. But if it breaks above this, bro, then pull back to it. We're going to the fucking moon, bro. This is the last stop. The last stop is the actual 5 minute order block, bro. It can do all this 1 minute shit, but when it hit that 5 minute, that's where the speed comes. See all this 1 minute shit right here? And then it comes straight down, touches the 5 minute, and that was it, bro. So I'm expecting an MA touch on the 5 minute, and that's it, bro. We're going straight to TP. And now that it's doing all this bullshit, when it does cross above my entry, I will be getting another Connie, and we will be pushing it to the high. But I am accepting double the risk if it pushes up, right? And then we go up. But I am accepting double risk. So instead of 6 or 7, I'm gonna be losing 12 to 14. Got it?
I'm trying to be cool, but goddamn.
I said close them doors. Close the doors. Close the doors. Close the doors. I said close them doors.
Y'all see that? That 5 minute, bro. I'm telling you, if you can just wait on that 5, you can just hold and wait on that 5, bro. I swear that's gonna really give you the best entry. You know, it ain't perfect every time, but bro, 9 out of 10, right? 8 out of 10. That MA on the touch on the 5 is the one. Alright? Alright, so now we done broke over the MA. Now we need it to hold. If it hits this MA and then breaks down, I will be getting out at the bottom of this candle. Because I don't really know where it can flood to. And then when we get a nice break back above, I'll find one of these support resistance areas. When we get back a break above that, that's when we'll take it long. And that's if it crashes out and I have to get out at the low. But I expect this shit to push the fuck up right the fuck now off this 5-minute candle inside of this same 30-minute candle. So within the next 17 minutes, we're going to be fucking playing the We Don't Miss song, cashing the fuck out. Within the next 17 minutes, bro. Let's go. Hey, DJ, cue that dramatic music. You're a fucking bitch.
I'm trying to be cool, but goddamn.
Like Angelique said, we're at the body of the fucking 5-minute. Like, bro. This has been the longest scalp ever. Bro, I hit them scalp that turned into like an hour hold time, bro. What the fuck are we doing? I can't even get off at 9 to take a break to come to 9:30 if I wanted to. But guess what? We don't need to. Get a ship and push up, fucking. This shit's doing all this play just to push up, Brody. It's doing all this play just to push up. Give me a green candle right here. I mean, honestly, it's broke down, pull back to the MA. This supposed to go down. But we know what's going on the higher, and on the higher, and on the higher. This is supposed to go up, right? This 5-minute candle just goes green away from the MA. That's a good sign. So, bro, we need a nice boner. Nice bony. We need a nice bony, of course. Oh, this shit is annoying. Fuck! This shit can still give a green candle, bro. Slap NASDAQ with the honey pack is insane. Oh my god, bro.
FBI, open up!
We coming to do a wellness check at your house, D. Turns out they found 6 boxes of honey packs. Oh shit. 6 cases of honey packs, bro. Not just the boxes, nigga. The case with 12 boxes in the case. Hey, they sold out. Yeah, because of you. Dude just inboxed me on Instagram. He says, hi. I said, sup. He says, are you a trader? No, I fucking do real estate. I fucking wholesale real estate. Fuck. No, bro, I'm a fucking plumber. In a real way. In a real way, though. Huh? Alright, here we go. So, this area recently has been resistance. Resistance. We get a candle close above. We're going to turn it to support. And then we're going to go up to some more.
I hope so.
Remember my 17-minute plan? It's been 6 minutes since I said that. So if you count it, it's been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I said that when price was up here. Hey Bruce, you got a top step and apex? Think it's gonna be big candle when market open? Oh well, hopefully I'm out of this fucking trade when market opens. I don't want to be in this trade when market opens. I don't know what the fuck that shit gonna do, bro. Let's look at my slick charts real quick. I got you, Angelique. 1 second. It's still in the blob, but it's more green than red. If you need 100 boxes, I know somebody. Yeah, you. Straight from you. Straight from your address. Hey. He's like, yeah, I got a warehouse. You search his address. This is his home address. He's like, yeah, the warehouse is at my house. In my bathroom closet. Fuck. Alright, MA right here. Give me some shindig and get me up out of there. There is a 5-minute order block right here that could stop the party. You just got to be aware of all possible scenarios, right? We wanted to go up, but this shit is forming a kind of weak order block to go down. So, you know what I'm saying? You got to know why you lose. Even if you lose, you got to know why you lose. Not just, fuck, what is NASDAQ doing? Or fuck price action. Or, you know, you got to know why you lost. You lost because you took the fucking wrong side. Or you got faked out. Or, you know, mix of both. Either way, losing happens. Just make sure your losses are small and your winners are bigger. And you win more than you lose per day. You're a profitable trader. Hey, Bruce, you got a Top Step and Apex? Yes, I have both. But I use Top Step the most. I've got paid from Top Step the most. I like Top Step rules the most. Apex is great because they're cheap. And you can get a lot of accounts. You can get up to 20 accounts on Apex. And copy trade all them shits together. Or you can only get 5 max on Top Step. You can only get 5 max on Top Step. Yeah. 5 max 2 on take profit trader. Okay. Bro, just push up. God damn, bro. This has been the longest scout, bro. Five-minute bottom wick. This candle's gonna flip over green. It's gonna close above my entry. That's gonna happen within 3 minutes. This red candle is gonna close green. Damn, I can't even see it. Look at my cursor. This green candle, current candle, is gonna close green, and it is gonna close above this range in the next 3 minutes. It is. It is.
I hope so.
Okay.
Yeah.
I can't watch. I can't look. Ah! Bro, get me out before the open, bro. I swear, bro. Get me out before the open, bro. I swear. Please do not drag this 8 more minutes. 7 more minutes. Cause I will get the fuck out early too. Alright, we're back at this resistance. We just needed to fucking break it. This dotted line is the 50% of the 30-minute order block. This actual dotted line is an alert above these highs, above this order block high that's been rejecting out of. Right? So, yeah. Resistance, 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 resistance. No lows, no new lows. Without making new lows, but making lower highs. No, higher lows. So break a structure that made this order block valid. Now new high could come down to this line right here or to the MA and then push up. I need this 5 minute to close above this fucking entry in the next minute and 30. Listen, it's above it, but I needed to close above it. We've been in profit, but this one closed above and then closed down, closed down. This one pushed up but then closed. This one pushed up but then closed above. This one is pushing up, so I needed to close above. The next fucking candle is going to be a fucking boner. Straight to our take profit, boys! Oh my god! Took 350, 1K for the day. Oh my god. Oh, whiskey. Woo! What a fucking day, boys. What a unit. What a fucking unit. That's my favorite saying. What a fucking unit, boys. I'm out full, bro. I don't give a shit. I'm out full, bro. I'm out full. Oh shit.
You know we don't miss. You know we don't miss.
You know we don't. Hey, you know we don't miss. Walk over Trish. Walk over Trish. Walk over Trish. Walk
over Trish. You know we don't miss.
Come on.
You know we don't miss.
W's in the fucking chat. PNL in the fucking chat. W's in the fucking chat. PNL in the fucking chat. Woo! Shit! In a real way. Alright, y'all, hey, right now it's 25 fucking people in here. Excuse my French. But listen, W's in the chat, PNL. You was in the trade over an hour. You had multiple opportunities to get in. I know you caught that trade. PNL in the chat, please. And the letter W. That's all I ask. Thank you. Home. Oh, whiskey. Oh, whiskey. Okay, hold on. We got another MA. I'm not rushing to take a trade, but we got another order block right here. You just got to know how price is moving. So now that we done pulled back to the MA and the order block, and we already came off of this 5 minute. Remember, I told you this 5 minute be the one. The 5 minute be the fucking one, bro. I'm telling you. So the 5 minute is that one motherfucker. We pushed up. I told you. What did I tell you? Boner fucking candle. This candle close up. Come on, man. You just got to know. Remember I said 17 minutes we're going to hit take profit? Within 17 minutes, I got out in profit. Got it? Because look, bro, it's just doing so much bullshit right here. Just get the fuck out. Just get the fuck out and pay yourself. Hey man, it's Bruce Webb. What the fuck did y'all expect?
You know we don't miss. 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 Walk over Trish. Walk over Trish. Walkisha over Trish. Walkisha over Trish.
On God. In a real way though. Oh, whiskey. Hold on, let me take a picture of this shit, bro. Ooh, nice boner candle out the order block. Come on, man. Listen, when you get that 5-minute touch and then you get that next MA touch on the lower time frame, take it all day with the order block and then it'll extend the high if it ain't already extended. So when you catch a 5-minute push up, you wait for that little order block. So wherever it happened up here. You pull back, you catch the bottom wick on the 5-minute chart, and then it extends up, hits your target, which is the same shit as getting a good entry on the 1 minute, and then price expanding up, hitting take profit at the highs, at the target. I'm going to put an alert here at the golden zone because that was my full plan. But since we did all that indecision and waiting forever, the open's about to come. We've been in profit a couple times, back down to a loss, almost closed out a loss. I'm getting out early. Got it? Now, if we would have just entered and it went straight to profit, of course I would have held it. But that didn't happen. So whenever that happens, I'm not giving money and then giving it back just by trying to make, 10, 20, 30 more ticks? That don't make sense, y'all. Got it? That's how you're going to fuck yourself. And it don't feel good. In a real way. Alright, let me take a picture of these real quick. Boom, boom. Then we're going to do... I need to screenshot this shit with my computer. That's what I need to do. Met Twin at the light. Ask him, do he want to race? So all we was doing to... Nice. Come on, man. It's Bruce Webb. What y'all expect? Take profit hit. I know some of y'all was still holding, so congratulations.
You know we don't miss. You know we don't miss.
If you just closed, if you've been holding and you just closed, W and P&L in the chat, please.
Over Trish. Walkisha over Trish. Walkisha over Trish.
$9.30 just opened 30 seconds ago. So as soon as it opened, it came down, back down to the MA, back down to the 50% golden zone. Little order block right here, the little red order block right here. So if we had to mark it off and take any buy, it would be this one right here. Buy it, stop loss right under. Or even if you want to wait, you could take a buy stop over here and push up. I might do that. Buy stop above this high. I'm in a buy stop above this high. If it pushes above, it's going to put me in a buy. And then my target is going to be pretty quick at this golden zone. Let's see how fast price can move right now at the open. I honestly just want a couple. I'm only going to scalp a little bit. Come on, give me that push. Give me that push. There you go. There you go. 175, 195, 200, however you call it. Hey, we'll take it.
You know we don't miss.
W's in the chat, P&L in the chat. W's in the chat, P&L in the chat.
Walkisha over Trish. Walkisha over Trish.
P&L in the chat, W's in the chat. That's now 2-0. That's all we wanted to fucking do, bro. Look at that exit. Look at that exit, bro. In the open, you can't be too greedy. Especially at these highs and shit. You cannot be too greedy in a real way. But yeah, pull back again to the order block right now. Back to the golden zone. This wouldn't be a shitty long, but you would just have to have your stop under here. So long stop under here. I would target the full golden zone with a stop that big. Shit like that. But this is the open, bro. This is not why. This is why I do not trade the open directly. Hey, I met Twin at the light. I asked him, do he want to race? You know we don't miss. Damn, that's the wrong one, my boy. Wait, that's the wrong one too.
You know we don't miss. 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 Walk over Trish. Walk over Trish. Waukesha over Trish. Waukesha over Trish.
Damn, it was finishing the job up. Damn, Nolan. Nolan be multitasking and not doing a good job at it. Nolan be like, yeah, man, I'm birthing a baby right now. What did he say? Bro, why does my shit look so dim, bro? Do I gotta screenshot this shit, bro? I hate this shit, bro. Yo, what's the perfect camera settings to take pictures of your camera screen, bro? This is, I mean, take a picture of your computer screen. It's the hardest shit. Is my shit cracked? Boy, what the fuck? Yeah. Okay. So okay. So it pretty much, it didn't stop here. I mean, we're still in this same order block, right? So if you bought it, you will be back now in profit, but you were in deep drawdown almost to stop. But if you look, bro, whenever you're in drawdown, that just kind of means your target. Damn. Whenever you're in drawdown, that just means your entry is probably not the best. You're not on the exact right. You're not at the exact right entry. You know what I'm saying? So you gotta, if it ain't this order block, it's probably this one. So you see how this rejected out, and you see how it came back in and coming out. So it's really this one after this little one. Come on, man. See this, y'all? You gotta just, so right now it'll be another perfect long setup. Enter. You can do a stop under this candle, shit like that. For first target would be here. First target would be there. But this is the 930 volatility. Hey, remember that demonstration? I was trolling traders. They'd be like, yeah, man. So we're gonna go long, or they'd be like, we're gonna go long here. Stop loss pretty short. Next candle, beep. They'd be like, yeah, we're gonna target the 4-hour highs, and before they put their target, you hear beep, order filled. What the hell? What the hell? Oh my God. Yeah. Buy you Chick-fil-A. Rico, if you don't take your Aldi shopping, Chick-fil-A biscuit eating, hey, but not for real though. Rico, when you go to Chick-fil-A, what you order for breakfast, bro? What's your go-to order? I know you be in different moods, so give me your top 3 orders. Like Sunday it'd be biscuit, Sunday it'd be the bowl. You know what I'm saying? Like, give me your Chick-fil-A orders, Rico. Hey, here's ugly. Man, why don't shit be looking weird, bro? I don't like that shit, bro. I do not like that in a real way. Alright, I got Angelique at the bottom, so we go Chick-fil-A today. Chick-fil-A Bruce today. What? Maybe I gotta do beauty mode. That shit don't fucking work. There it is. There. So it pretty much came back into the same OB 1, 2, 3. Right? So when we're looking for a sell later today, you take a sell off of this same area. If they're using it as support, right? Oh, didn't I say that earlier? Oh shit, y'all, didn't I say that earlier? Even if we get rid of all this order block shit, right? Just straight price action. We got rid of all this. What did I fucking say earlier? Bro! I be surprising myself, bro. Watch this shit, bro. Hold on, no, 1 second. Y'all, remember earlier, what was I saying when we was in drawdown? I said, bro, this resistance. Then I was like, all right, bet, it's going to break. But it didn't break yet. It pulled back to this order block after it broke structure, bink. And then it broke structure again, right? Then I'm like, all right, bet. So then what happened? So remember, I said resistance. So right here, support, pushing up. Then they broke it. Turned that same level into, look, let's move this all the way across. Look at this, all the way across. Same level, y'all. Look at that. Look at that! I fucking said it! But when it crossed over, I got the fuck out. Because I'm not letting it come back down. That's stupid. So when it broke over, it pulls back to that area. You have your order block for a better fucking entry. Or a re-entry. You can enter here because it could push up here. But a better entry will be down here at the order block. Right here. Tween. Boom. Push you back over. So that is a break. Pull back without breaking the lows. Continuation to the golden zone. Pull back to the fucking level. Continuation. Pull back to the fucking level. Continuation. Pull back to the level. Fucking continuation. Now pull back to what? One of these shorter MAs or these shorter order blocks. And then continuation. So we literally only traded this golden zone today. Literally. We opened up at 8 something. Oh no, it was up in here. We opened up right here. Price broke above our golden zone. Above these highs. Above these highs that I marked off. Above this order block right here on the 1. And above this 5-minute order block. Wait, where was it at? Right here. Oh, right down here. So this 5-minute order block I marked off. With the tip, like Angelique said, at the tip of this order block body. Tip of the 5-minute MA. Push up. All these down wicks ain't shit but buy entries. Buy entries and then boom, you push that back up. It makes a new high. You get out. Come on, man. This is Bruce fucking Webb. There's only one way I'm doing this shit every single day, 92% of the time, for the last fucking 92 trading days. Because I know my shit. What? Alright. That's 2-0 today. You know what I'm saying? Damn, it's 18 people, but these folks get their money in dip. But they be like, alright, yeah, fuck the explanation. See you tomorrow for the next trade. Now, one day when I take a break, when I say no trading today, no trading Wednesday, Thursday, Friday this week. Oh, Bruce, man, I missed you, man. Oh, man, when you coming back, bro? Oh, I'm happy to go. Eat a fucking dick. No, I'm just kidding. So we 85 out of 92, guys. So every day it goes up by 0.1%. So let me look at it. What did I just say? 85 out of 92. 85 out of 92. That is 92.39%, y'all. Live on stream over the last 92 trading days. Are you shitting me? Look at this beautiful up movement off of the order block right here. Off of this breaking retest, support and resistance structure. And then you have the simple enter the golden zone, stop loss at the other golden zone, take profit hit at the other golden zone. Listen, this indicator is for sale, y'all. $75 one time. You're not going to find it nowhere else. It's fucking one of one. This is Bruce's Golden Zones indicator. The level never move. The levels never repaint. They work on fucking all time frames. It's $75 a one time. I got it. Same shit. That's all we was doing, y'all. Whenever it goes to an order block and rejects, and then holds that the opposite direction or trend direction, moving average or order block, then we're going to blow through that order block. It took time. It took 30 minutes. It took another 30, and it took an hour and a half. So it took an hour and a half for it to complete with full 1 hour, 30. So it took a full hour of us waiting for that to happen, and then we got out early, right? And then we could have just been holding it, running it, but with all the circumstances and the drawdown and shit, with the not the best entry, I'm getting out, and I have no regrets, no remorse. Got it? So we got to think like that. We're not trying to catch every fucking tick in the book. We're just trying to be accurate every single day for the next so and so days. Plain and simple. Making, you can't say a dollar amount, right? You just got to focus on how much you're willing to risk per trade based on your stop loss, and that'll determine how much you can make every day. But you can set a daily goal, right? Like on Top Step, all you need is $200 days to take out 500 every week. 5 days, taking out 200 a day, right? Making 200 a day. That's $1,000 balance. You can take out 50% after 5 days. That's a $500 payout. You copy trade, do it on 5 different accounts. Now you're making 500 on 5 different accounts only by making $200 a day. You can do that on M&Q. 51 trade, 51 trade, 51 trade, or go 100, or catch a nice banger like this and hold it. 1 or 2 contracts on M&Q, make you $200, stop. That is enough to make $2,500 per week. And if you have big balls, you can get 150. That's with the 50K account. If you have big balls, you can get 150K account. And now the target is, let's say, 2,000 a day. If you make 2,000 a day on MNQ, on NQ, which is the same thing as MNQ making 200, that's the same conversion as making 2,000 on Top Step on the 50K on NQ, right? So 2,000 a day, 5 days, that's 10,000 profits in a week. You can take out 50%. The max payout is 5K. So you can take out 5K with one account, and it only costs you $300 for that account total, right? You get 5 fucking accounts. That's fucking 5,000 times 5 accounts. That's 25,000 you can make every week, every 5 trading days. Do y'all hear me? This is the power of being consistent every single day, not trying to make $1 million in a fucking day and then blow your account. Slow grinds, nice fucking setups that make fucking sense, and you're a profitable trader juicing these fucking prop firms like me. Got it? Plain and fucking simple. The only thing that can hurt a trader is themselves, bro. The only thing that can hurt a trader is themselves. Do y'all hear me? The only thing that can hurt a trader is themselves. My worst days are when I either don't take a trade that I know is a trade, or I psych myself out of a trade, or I get out early, or I'll close my loss. Like I wanted to close that loss today. Shit like that. You get what I'm saying? So GTO, like my boy say, GTO, man. Good trades only. That's it. GSO, good setups only. If it ain't a break and retest, if it ain't an order block, if it ain't a moving average, you do not need to be fucking trading it. In a real way. Alright. So this Bruce Webb, man, you know what I'm saying? We're going to wrap it up. 2-0 today. Beautiful day, man. We're going to take it to the next day. What's today? Thursday? Y'all, we're literally 4-0, bro. So yeah, we're literally 4-0. It's Thursday, right? We're literally 4-0 in a row. Oh yeah, let me update the win streak. We're now at a 12-day winning streak. 13-day winning streak. 13-day winning streak. Right? We're not counting. We're just tracking it. That's it, yo. So tomorrow, same time, 8 a.m. Eastern, is Bruce Webb the Greatest. Tell your mama, grandma, cousin, sister to holler at me. No, I'm just playing. Tell them to get with me, you know what I'm saying? Let's get on these charts. Let's make this money. You heard? Let's go.
You know we don't miss. You know we don't miss. You know we don't miss. You know we don't miss.
All right, y'all. Love y'all, man. Tomorrow, same time, 8 a.m. Eastern.
Let's go.